If you get into mold-contaminated contents, we're going to have to follow, PPE and contamination procedures for mold, and we are going to use a different cleaning process. So you can use concrobium, BSD, you can use Benefect. All of these products do not dilute in water. You want to use them straight. So with things of that nature, you're probably going to want to use a saddle tank so that you don't have to fill a tank with 86 gallons of Benefect or concrobium, because that would be awfully expensive. Unless it's a tremendously large job, then you can do it. But if it's not, there's not that much mold, then you're going to want to use a smaller cleaning tank, just from a cost standpoint. And any of these, same process. You're going to clean them ultrasonically. Why we're using a different chemistry is we're using something that's approved for as a bacticide for mold. And what we're doing is we're killing the mold spore, and then the ultrasound is picking the dead mold spore off the content. So either one of those products will work. Again, the same process. I would probably skip the pre-wash process, and because I'm using a smaller container, I would use my ultrasonic unit as my pre-wash, let it soak, and then run the ultrasound. And mainly I'm doing that just to mitigate having to use as much chemistry.